Hey there, YouTubers. Back. I know it's been a few years. Been really busy around the house and a lot of issues happening. Uh, First, there's problems with her house, illness, and then family death. So there's just a lot of problems going throughout the years, and finally things are starting to pick back up, and we're just going through all of our storages and stuff to try to put things away and get rid of items that we don't need anymore. But right now I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of a product that I bought on Amazon. It's hard to find this product now on Amazon. Seems like they don't really carry this anymore, but since you can see these are my tilapia and goldfish in my aquaponics system, there's a lot of small little upgrades that I'll shoot other videos on, but here's what we're unboxing today. It's the new ZET-65. They didn't have the 85 model on Amazon anymore, but made by Ziss Aqua. So we're just gonna see how this looks like, and then later on we'll see if these tilapias have any eggs. But right now I don't think they have anything because I just recently pulled some out before I got this, and the weathers are becoming back warm. It's like almost 100 degrees now out here, so we'll see how that goes. Let me just pull it out of the box. So straight out of the box they have the little attachment. There's stickers as well, and I think this is a mounting bracket to the tank and the tube and everything. Really, there's not much. It's almost like a cup. I have a similar cup that I blend to make blended drinks. Kind of look like that, but they put this funnel on the top and then the air hole on the top there. Let's see, I'm gonna just go ahead and connect things real quick and then check how the instruction goes here. You know, yeah, there's not much to it to connecting it together. Box came a little cut up, but overall everything seems to be in here. I'll shoot another video later when I have some eggs available, and then I'll start tumbling the eggs in this 10-gallon tank right here that I have cycling for about a month now. Alright, hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't been posting much, but like I said, it's been busy around the house, and as you can see, there's just a lot of mess right now. Tons of mess, cleaning up. I'm gonna start trying to put some more video back out, but this is an unboxing one, and then my aquaponics stuff is gonna be up next. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment below, let me know what's going on, and just enjoy a little bit of the unclear water here.